going on, people? Big T.
Jason D.
Back in the camper with another video. Yeah.
Привет, товарищ. Как дела?
Ohio. Genki.
Genki.
He's doing good, he says. How am I doing? I'm Genki.
It sounds so funny when he says, I'm Genki.
Yeah. So it's not Saturday.
Nope.
It's Monday.
Mm-hmm. For us.
Yeah, Jason had to work all weekend. I had to work Saturday, Sunday. So now we are here making a video for you.
We do. Mm-hmm. I always see him do that lip shit, and it just every time because he does it silently, like
it's like a thinking thing, you know. Like I'll be at work and I'm like, what to do, and then I'm just like, I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm weird. Okay.
It's all good.
I make people laugh, but it's funny because I got a lot of people at work. They do the same fucking thing. I'll be watching them and they'll be thinking and they'll be like. People are like, what the fuck are these guys doing?
I have a coworker. Her name's Sandy. She's in her 50s, and every time she lifts something, her tongue has to stick out.
Hey, have you ever watched somebody play drums?
Yeah.
Like, I couldn't imagine these guys that fucking play crazy metal. They're just like...
It's like too much brain processing is happening, so therefore the excrement of your mouth must... Yeah.
Okay, so we usually start out with like a Gojira or a Ginger.
Normally.
But we're going to start out with something different. Did I write down who? Yes, I did. William Cody, he has been one of our more active members, commenting a lot. He suggested liquid tension experiment, acid rain. Is it like the drug acid that's raining on you?
Oh God, I hope not. Yeah,
that'd be a lot of fucked up people.
Done enough shit with that,
So
sorry, I was trying to say I did enough of that in my time.
Yeah,
not tons, just enough.
I've dabbled.
Yeah.
I've done a little.
We did it at the same time. Perfect.
Same time. Our brains are like it. And if you haven't noticed, he shaved.
Oh, yes. I should have mentioned that. Yeah.
You look 10 years younger.
Oh, I'm fucking beautiful all the time.
Beautiful.
It never changes.
Indeed.
Yeah.
So,
you should see me naked.
No thanks.
I
don't want to see it. I don't want to see it.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see it, you got to private message him.
Yeah.
And probably pay the man.
Money would be nice.
But anyway.
Secondary channel.
Jason's Jew porn channel.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah.
Liquid tension experiment. Acid rain.
Here we go.
All instrumental.
Anytime now.
It helps if I turn the stereo on. Oh, fuck. It's good night to the start.
Yeah.
Good night to the start.
It's not a bad omen. It's not a bad omen. It's not. There's no witches. Don't have to throw anyone in the lake with a rock.
Okay. Here we go.
So far, my mind is very intrigued. Oh, I fucking like that.
Whoa. Whoa, wait.
Whoa,
wait,
no,
wait,
slow
wait.
down. Stop.
Before we get carried away here.
Oh, God, stop.
Before we get carried away here. Whoa. I don't even know where to begin.
I think that song gave me Parkinson's. Yeah. Yeah.
Just,
So, guys, we're fucked now. Yeah.
now you need to give us money because we're fucked.
Yeah, we need medical attention. Oh, God. That fucking song is... Yeah. Oh, he's got to say something funny. Yeah.
The only good thing about Parkinson's is it's good for jacking off.
I don't even have to try. Yeah, I just have to put my hand on my penis. The difficult part is actually getting my hand on my penis. Oh, he set me up for that. He set me up.
Shit.
My subconscious finished it off. Like my penis. Ah,
Oh my
shut
God.
up, Jason. Shut up.
Woo! No, it's all good, man. Fuck. Wow. That's a good way to start. That's a good way to start.
Yeah, no kidding.
That song was intense.
That's how you restart the fucking brain.
As for the song, fuck. It had a lot of good, tasty parts. I like it when it went to that more chill, funky.
Yeah, I kind of went into... Well, that's why I mentioned the jazz flute at one point. Because it also went into like a swing moment. Like, holy fuck, that song had like... Kind of reminded me of like that movie Swing Kids. That part of that.
It reminded me of Jim Carrey in The Mask. Jim Carrey The Mask.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck, that was a good song.
Yeah. Fuck, it was...
Very fast.
It
slowed down a bit and then fast.
It covered so much. Like, for what it was. Like, I mean, it went into like electrical.
Mm-hmm.
It had its metal.
It had the keyboard.
It had fucking swing. It had fucking jazz. Hell,
Funky.
I think there was even some blues guitar in there. Crying out loud. Like, it covered all the bases.
That song kind of, it's like an appetizer for what is, what else they produce. It's like, this is just a little taste of what we do.
Yeah.
Makes you want to listen to more, which I'm sure
when you grab the menu, you get the appetizer.
Yes.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Can't wait for the entrees.
No, that was good. The drummer was busy as shit.
Fuck, they were all busy as
shit. Fuck.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we gotta slow down here for a minute.
Yeah.
My fingers are cramping.
Can we not make this song 5 minutes? Because this is hard. Yeah. Oh, well, fucking right on. Thank you. Who did you say that?
William Cody.
William Cody.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you for that one. That was I especially love that one. Yes, I'm a sucker for like electronical shit.
He was saying that he was mentioning like it's like a Dream Theater side project almost. Do you know the band Dream Theater? I've heard a little bit of them, not very much though.
Yeah.
I've heard the name for sure.
I think I remember playing one of their songs on a rock band fucking years ago. I think they had a song on there. I remember it was Dream Theater. Sounds very familiar.
Well, that's a good way to start. This is our first video
of the evening.
As always, we have like a sequence. So I kind of just upload them. Our first video of the night, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, and so on.
We go in an order.
Yeah, in an order. It's never just random.
Bulk recording, if you know us by now.
Yeah. So if you want to stay up to on the thing, because sometimes we have hippies. They fucking come in here and drink a booze.
Yep.
And then they fucking listen to our songs and cross shit off. Jason beat the shit out of one last weekend.
The blonde one. Not that curly-haired, stupid-looking motherfucker.
Yeah. I didn't even know what the fuck happened. I didn't even see him. I think he jumped the fence and fucked off. He just left his buddy to get beat down.
Or maybe he's sleeping underneath the camper right now. I mean, I don't know. How often do you check underneath the camper, Town? It's not something you usually do, right?
Yeah. When I take the garbage out, I'm just like, hey, maybe there's someone sleeping under there.
Yeah.
I don't fucking
You
check
never
it.
know, but
yeah.
you don't think about it.
No.
We'll kick his ass sooner or later.
Eventually, we'll probably sit down with those motherfuckers and be like, hey, don't drink our booze. Bring your own bastards.
And we're definitely not going to rape them.
No.
I came up with that idea.
No raping.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. I mean, how am I supposed to get a boner when I have to do that?
That's gross.
That doesn't excite me.
No. Not at all.
Anyway.
As always,
Pretty much.
like, share, subscribe, and until next time, rock on.
Dasvidaniya Tovarisch.